First semester exam review, page 4. Graph 4x minus 2y equals a minus 8. This is in the standard form, ax plus by equals c. So if that's the case, then you're going to say x equals 0 and y equals 0. If x is 0, so if I cover this up, in other words, I'm saying negative 2y equals negative 8. So if x is 0, that's going to make this 0. And so then I have a minus 2y is equal to minus 8, divide both sides by negative 2. And so you get y equals 4. And if you cover up the y, then you have 4x equals a negative 8. So x then equals a negative 2. And y is equal to 0. So I graph these 2 points, 0, 4. So I don't go left or right any, and I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And minus 2, 0. So I go 1, 2 to the left, and none up and down. And then I draw my line through those 2 points. So that's 4x minus 2y equals a negative 8. Next one. This is my slope, my rise over my run, and this is my y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis. I do this one first, and then I do this one. So I'm going to go to a negative 1 when y equals a negative 1. That's right here. And then from there, I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and then to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. And draw my line. Okay. Excuse me. MO bisects angle LMN. So it bisects, so it cuts it in half. So that means this part of the angle is equal to this part. So OMN is equal to 5x minus 29. And LMO, this part over here, is x plus 31. So 5x minus 29 equals x plus 31. Subtract x from both sides. 4x minus 29 is equal to 31. Add 29 to both sides. So 4x is equal to 60. So x equals 15. X equals 15. Find NMO. So angle NMO is going to equal 5 times 15 minus 29. And when I do that, I end up with 75 minus 29, and so that gives me 46. Find the value of x and y. Okay, if you take a look, these two angles are vertical angles. So 2x minus 10 equals 138. Add 10 to both sides. So 2x is equal to 148. Divide both sides by 2, so I get 74. X is equal to 74. And now I got to find y. So 2y is going to equal, so I got to take 180, subtract 138. I end up with 42, so 2y is equal to 42. So y then equals 21. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Angle 1 Angle 1 is equal to x minus 25. Angle 2 is equal to x plus 73. All right, so because they're supplementary, that means they add up to 180. So x minus 25 plus x plus 73 equals 180. 2x then plus 48 is going to equal 180. Subtract 48 from both sides. So 2x is equal to 132. So x then equals 66. Measurement of angle 1 is going to be 66 minus 25, 31. So angle 1 is equal to, didn't need to borrow, 41. And angle 2 is x, so 66 plus 73, 13, 9, and that's 13, so 139. All right, fill in the missing reasonings. All right, so if you take a look over here, this angle plus this angle is equal to the whole thing, AOC, and they tell you AOC is 153. So this is angle addition. So this angle plus this angle is equal to the whole angle. 2x plus 5 times quantity x minus 3 is equal to 153. Again, look at the line you're on and look at the line up above to figure out what's going on. So this would be substitution. I substituted these numbers in the place of those letters. The next one is going to be the distributive property. I distribute 5 times x into 5 times 3. Everything else is the same. Next one is I simplify because I combine these two together to give me 7x. And then the last thing is to go through, and I'm going to add 15 to this side and add 15 to this side to get to 168. So this is addition. And then the last one, I'm going to divide both sides by 7, so that's division.